Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is food and drinks. Look at the picture, listen and repeat.
Egg, egg. Potatoes, potatoes. Carrot, carrot. Lemon, lemon.
Now let's do the exercise.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Potatoes. Where are the potatoes? Well done. Next one. Lemon. Can you see a lemon? Great. Egg. Where's an egg? Great. And the last one is carrot. Well done. Now let's go to the next part. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Meat, meat. Butter, butter. Milk, milk. Bread, bread. Now let's do the exercise.
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку. Butter,
Butter. Where's butter? Great. Now let's find the word. No, this is not butter. Butter. Well done.
bread,
Bread. Can you see bread? Great. Let's find the word bread. Great job. Let's do one more exercise.
Сравни и найди отличия.
What is different?
Right, the apple is green. Exactly, there is no milk in the first picture.
Well done. Let's go to the next exercise.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок. I'd love a glass of gold milk.
Glass of milk. Is this a glass of milk? No. Is this a glass of milk? No. Glass of milk? Yes.
Yes, thank you. I love milk.
Next one.
My sister hates bananas.
Bananas. Can you see a picture of a banana? Banana? No. Banana? Yes.
Yes, she hates bananas.
Well done. Now let's go to the next task. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Onion, onion. Tomato, tomato. Lettuce, lettuce. Grapes, grapes. peach, peach. Orange, orange. Salad, salad. Cheese, cheese. Now let's do the exercise.
Прослушай и расположи картинки по порядку. Tomato, lettuce, onion, grapes.
Well done. One more.
Orange, salad, cheese, peach.
Great! Now let's try to do another exercise. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat.
Pear, pear. Lettuce, lettuce. Potatoes, potatoes. Banana, banana.
Here we have two groups.
Vegetables,
Овощи,
fruit.
фрукты. Now let's do the exercise.
Собери картинки в группу.
Pear. Is pear a vegetable or a fruit? Fruit. Well done. Next, lettuce. Is lettuce a vegetable or a fruit? Fruit? Oops, no. Lettuce is a vegetable. Potato. Is potato a vegetable or a fruit? Of course, vegetable. Well done. Banana. Is banana a vegetable or a fruit? Fruit. Well done. Now let's do the next exercise. Listen and choose the right answer.
Прослушай и выбери правильный ответ.
Number 1.
I love sweet apples.
Apples. Is this an apple? No.
We never eat white bread.
White bread. Is this white bread? No.
Lemon juice is so sour.
Lemon. Is this a lemon? Yes. Well done. Number 2.
Let's have a banana split.
Banana. Is this a banana? Yes. Number 3.
I hate peeling potatoes.
Potatoes. Are those potatoes? Yes, well done. And the last one.
Potato chips are not healthy.
Potato? No.
I'll have a loaf of bread, please.
Bread. Yes. Great job. Now let's do the last exercise for today.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок. This pear looks delicious.
Pear. Can you see a pear? Great.
You're right. This pear tastes so good.
And number 2.
I want some jam, please.
Jam. Where's jam?
Great. I love jam.
This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Bye.